Hello and welcome to the creation of a mobile website, part 2. Now we're going to go ahead and get back in here and edit the site some more. So we're going to click the site we've been working on, and it pulls it up, automatically pulls up that short URL for the site and the QR code. And now we're going to select Edit Site. We've created a home page and a menu page so far, and now we're going to go in and create another page. This time we're going to create a page on locations so that someone can click the locations page and find a map. So we're going to create a new component. This time we're going to name it map, and we're going to put in HTML code of a map into here, and it's really easy to do. You just click source, and so now we can drop source code in here, whether that be forms or a map or whatever the case may be. So we're going to go in here and we're going to go to Google Maps and type in Frankie's Italian Grill. And now we pull up the map to Frankie's Italian Grill. We're now going to click the link right here, and we're going to copy this HTML code right there. And now we're going to go back in and paste that code right into the mobile website builder. Whoops. We obviously didn't get it copied, so let's try it again. Click link. I'm going to copy it. Go over here to the component builder. Paste it in there. And there it is. Now we're going to go down. I don't know what I just did. Oh, it's finished processing. That was the last one I was just creating. So now we're going to just save this, and now we've created a component. Now I'm going to grab the component, pull it over into components included on this page, and now I'm going to type in the name of the page name, which is locations, and save and preview. Now over on our mobile website, it pulls in the actual map, and underneath the map has a little link that says View Larger Map that will actually, when selecting this on an iPhone or a Droid, it will take you right to the mapping application and put in this location, and then you can just, the person can route right to them. So now we've got 3 links at the bottom of the page. We've got our home page link, our menu page, and our locations link. Now we're going to create another page real quick. So I'm going to go back to my site. I'm going to create a page. And this page, I'm just going to, this is going to be specials. And I'm going to take the specials page. And this is the one where I'm going to take this to the business owner, and I'm going to tell them they can change the content here daily if they want to and put up new specials for their business. So they might go in and type in something like this. This week's special is $2 tacos. Show app to get the discount. And they put something like that. They could put another picture in, to go along with that on the specials page. But this is obviously modifiable. They can come in, use their username and password that you provide them, and then modify the specials every day. And then people that select the app on their phone can then open up, click on the specials tab on their app, and they can see whatever this week's specials are. Anytime you get a question mark, all that means is that I've got an extra space in there. So all I do is go back in and select it, and I've got to pull out that space. There's just an extra one right there. Pull that out, save it, save and preview, and then that question mark is taken out of there. So now we've created a specials page. We're going to go in. I'm going to go back to the site. I'm going to create one more page, and this one is going to be a I've got locations, I've got specials, and now I'm going to create a download the app page. So we've got built-in instructions as component every time you go to build a mobile website or a mobile app. This page is already in there that tells you, gives directions to the user on how to download the app. So now we can customize it a little bit and tell people download our app to your home screen today and check our specials page weekly to see new great free stuff, or whatever they wanted to say. The only recommendation I would make to any of this would be that for step number 1, we don't want them to click the plus icon. We want them to actually go to the home page before they do any of this. So the best thing to do is to tell them first, step 1, go to the home page of the mobile site. Then step 2, click on the plus icon. Step 3, step 4, and step 5. Then let's go ahead and style that and get that bolded there so it looks like everything else. Okay, we've done that. Now we can we want to do the same thing right down here. And now we're going to save this component. We're going to include it on this page. How to download your app. And now we're going to create the page, download our app. Now we're going to hit save and preview. And now we've created our final page for our app. We scroll down. We've got an extra question mark in there. We can fix that. I've got a couple extra spaces there. And there's the directions. Now our menus say home, menu, specials, locations, and download our app, and you can read it better on a smartphone. When they click download the app page, it gives them instructions on how to download the app. Our final thing we're going to do is actually add the app icon. So if you go down to create your site and you click show advanced options, we're going to now add an icon to it so that when they save the website, the mobile website, the app to their smartphone, it actually will put in this 45 by 45 pixel icon. So you create an icon, which we've already created for this demo, and we're going to put in Frankie's 45 by 45 PNG right there. We're going to save it, and now we're done creating our mobile app, our mobile website, and now people can actually download Frankie's Italian Cuisine and download it right to their home screen of their smartphone. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we'll talk to you soon.